how to build a SurveyMonkey. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a SurveyMonkey survey. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official SurveyMonkey website. At the top right corner, you'll see a login button. Click on it and you'll land on the SurveyMonkey homepage. This is where you'll see all your existing surveys and where you can start new ones. Since we're making a new survey today, click on Create Survey. SurveyMonkey will give you two options: start with a template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we're going with start from scratch because it gives you maximum flexibility to design your survey exactly the way you want. Once your blank survey is ready, you can begin adding questions. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using the question bank. This is a library of ready-made questions for different types of surveys. You can browse recommended questions based on your topic, then just click on one to insert it directly into your survey. If you need more, you can simply click the plus icon to add a new question manually. Keep building until your survey has everything you need. Before you finish, it's super important to preview your survey. Click on Preview Survey to see exactly what it will look like for your respondents. This is your chance to check for any errors, awkward phrasing, or anything that doesn't feel right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Continue, and your survey is ready to move toward launching. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've built a fully customized survey on SurveyMonkey. Clear, relevant, and engaging questions are the key to getting the best responses. So take your time setting it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.